It's been a while I made a video and I hope everybody is doing alright. In today's video, we're going to look at how to order class 9. Most of the time, we send our class 9s to the PLL clerks, which is the 92 offers or the maintenance guys to order our class 9 for us. But the truth of the matter is you can, as a 92 Yankee, you can also order your class 9 if you want. But before you order your class 9, make sure you talk to your CEO. Your CEO approves it. Then your CEO in turn talk to the 92 offers or the maintenance chief about you ordering class 9. Sometimes it comes in handy when you want it so fast. You want to put the thing on order so fast. For instance, let's talk about batteries. You want to order batteries. Yeah, you can order them. You can order your class 9. So the trick is just a simple trick that you need to do. It's just to change your S log. So if you know your class 9 S log, you just have to change. So today we're going to look at how to create a class 9 manual reservation, or in other terms, a standing room reservation for class 9. You can do that in the system. You can create a standing room reservation for class 9. The things that comes in often. So let's get into the video. Let's start. Let's begin. It's going to follow the same principle as ordering class 2, just going to change a few things. So this, if you don't know your class 9 S log, I'm going to teach you how to see your class 9 S log. So that's what we're going to do. Instead of checking stock, you check. Um, so let me pause right here and let me go back to this place and show you a couple of things. So you go to your property management. Let's move on. You go to your property management, then you type in your UIC. So you see on the screen, you can actually see that we have stock check right here, right? But we don't need a stock S logs. We need a provisional S log because you can see your class 9 S log among your provisional S log. One thing is you already know your provisional S log for class 2, but you don't know class 9. So I'm going to show you, see your class 9 DODAC and your class 9, class 2 DODAC too. So let's move on. So you check the provision on check, stop, and you click to execute. So that's your class 9 DODAC right here. That's your class 9 DODAC. And these are your class 9 S log. As you can see, S log right there. This is your class 9 S log. Now let's scroll down. We're going to find our class 2 S log so that you can see the difference. So all these are your class 9 DODAC and S log. All these items are all class 9. So we're scrolling down. This is my class 2 S log, right? And this is my class 2 DODAC. So all these are class 2 items, class 2 supplies. So if you don't know your class 9 S log, that is how you find your class 9 S log. So you copy. You can also find your class 9 S log through the property book structure. All you have to do is to hit the class 9 S log over there. It's not going to be an S log, but when you go to, so I'll talk about that later. But let's move on. So here you put in your movement type. It's going to be the same, and trust me, somebody might tell you it's not going to come in. I'm telling you, it comes in all the time. And this is not the first time I'm doing this. I've done this for some time now, from 2018. That's when I started doing ordering class 9 on my own. I started ordering class 9 the moment I joined my unit. Since 2018, I've been ordering class 9 on my own. I've been doing my class 9 PV01s. So here, instead of putting your class 2, you put in your class 9 S log. Same shit. Sorry for saying same shit. Sorry, guys. So you put in your material number right here. But before you put in your material number, what you have to do is to label it supply request, right? So that your class 92 offers will know that this item that you are putting on order belongs to supply. So when they look at your reservation list, they will see that, oh, these manual reservations were done by supply, and they will already be tracking because the CEO, your commander, has already told them about it. So when during emergencies and you want to order your class 9, you can actually do it. So it follows the same principle. Nothing changes. You put in your material number, you put in your quantity, put in everything that you need to put in, then you save it. Now let's go. Let's check an item that is a class 9 item. If you don't know how to check for class 9 item, this is how you can check for class 9 item. Use MM03. So as you can see, this is a class 9 kilo. And the advice code is D, which is directly coming from DOD. And the accounting requirement code is also X, which is expendable. So you put it in there, put in your supply request. You can make a supply reservation if you want for them to actually know that's your reservation. And one thing that you can also do is you can run it like the way you run your class, not class 2 supply reservation. So you can create one reservation in the class 9 reservation list and put all your class 2s over there. So you have one reservation number for all your class 9 reservation, class 9 items. Sorry, I said class 2. All your class 9 items. You put them under one reservation so that you don't mix them up. After that, you save it, which means you can actually go in there and close that reservation if you want. You can delete that reservation if you want to. So anything that you do at the class 2 side, you can do at the class 9 side too. So now let's go to reservation. Let me see where. Okay, so basically that is all that you do to order class 9. Um, as I said, always remember to let your CEO know that you want to do the class 9 rather than going back and forth with your 92 offers, and let your commander talk to the chief for the class 9 side as the 92 offer chief. Let your CEO talk to him or her, and also your class 9 clerks who are the 92 offers. Let your chief talk to them. You should have a good relationship with them so that when you put them on order, they don't mess with your stuff. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So basically, that's it. And this is all going to be for today. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. It's important for me, for every 92 Yankee to share so that most 92 Yankees will get the knowledge. Thank you, guys.